Good morning, children. Let's see another interesting lesson from our moral science book. Lesson number 11, Unity. So, children, we all know this proverb, unity is strength. That means when we are single, we may not do some things, but when we are in group, we can achieve any strong or difficult things. Okay, alone we can do little things, but together we can do so much better. So, now in this lesson, we are going to learn about the importance of working in a group and when we are working in any group, we should be responsible while working with many other people. Okay, we are going to learn about the small story Unity is Strength with the help of the Panchatantra tale. Once upon a time, there was a big tree. It's a big banyan tree, and many species of birds used to stay there with the help of their nest. Okay, and many other animals also used to come there to eat the fruits and all the things near the tree. Okay, a bird catcher went to the forest. He spread the net on the ground and threw some rice over there. So then he went to hide behind a tree. Soon very hungry pigeons came flying there. They looked down and saw the rice. And pigeons will be very fond of rice or grains. You know? What a luck! One of them shouted. So much rice! Let us go down and eat some rice. They were thinking like that. The king of the pigeons said, "This doesn't look right. Wait, there is a net there. It is a bird catcher's net. We will be caught there." Like this, the king of the pigeons said to all the pigeons. But the pigeons were very hungry. They did not listen to their king's words and they flew down to have some full meals. So they went down and they started eating the grains. The king of the pigeons just sat on the tree and waited. When the pigeons had ate the rice, they decided to fly to their homes. But they found themselves caught in the net. They could not fly anymore. In the meantime, the bird catcher saw them. He was happy to see so many pigeons caught in the net. He came running to catch them all. The moment the king pigeon saw him, it yelled. That means it shouted like this. "Fly, fly, my friends." It called out like this. "Fly, for the bird catcher is coming here. So you please fly away from here." "We cannot fly," cried the pigeons. "Our feet are caught in the net." "Yes, but your wings are not," encouraged the king. So the pigeon king said, "Maybe your feet are caught in the net, but your wings are not caught in the net. So please try to fly with the help of your wings, even though it is very difficult to do that." As the bird catcher came closer, the pigeons flapped their wings and flew away with the net. Even with the net also, all the pigeons flew into the sky. The bird catcher looked at them with the eyes wide open. He couldn't even believe that he had lost all the pigeons along with his net. So children, what is the moral of the story? If we are only single person, we cannot achieve all the things which are difficult to do us. But if we are in group, as a group we can achieve any difficult task with an ease. Okay children, so unity is always strength. So let's do the worksheet part. Okay, unity is. So we need to complete this word web with the help of these words. Okay, according to you, what the unity means, you need to write here. So children, you can write all these words for unity. So let's do another bit. True or false? The flock of pigeons were very hungry. True or false? True. Second one. The pigeons saw the rice as well as the net. No, they didn't see the net. So it is false. Third one. Their king told them about the net. True. Fourth one. The pigeons were caught in the bird's catcher nest. True. Fifth one. The king left them and flew to safety. False. Sixth one. The pigeons flew away with the net. True. So children, like these you need to do all the true or false along with me. I hope that you all done by now, right? So that's all for now. I hope you all enjoyed this story and the worksheet. That's all for now. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye. Thank you.